Time is now 8:15. Let's get a check of your WDSU first warning weather with our first warning weather meteorologist, Jim Sine. It's an important day. It's Father's Day.
Yes.
And then we just also got through a series of storms and tornadoes. So people need the dry conditions, Jim, to clean up that debris.
Yeah. Today's a transition day for us. We're going to be drier, much drier. I don't expect any flooding today. We're definitely going to be drier as we get into next week. But this is one of those forecasts that's kind of tough to go ahead and just completely solidify. Let me show you WDSU first warning radar. This is the thing that is the little bit of a curveball for us because none of the computer models are picking up on this area of rain. And granted, it's not like it's heavy rain. This isn't flooding rain, but still, it's an area of showers that's weakening, kind of drifting to the east and southeast, but the river parishes, maybe even the metro, a little passing shower here, maybe at about 10 o'clock. North Shore could see one or two of these showers. Finally now, I found a computer model that I think gives us a good idea of the way it's going to play out as we look toward the later morning and afternoon. Temperatures are on the warm side, no surprise there. 82 on beautiful Grand Isle, 78 Bogalusa, officially at Louis Armstrong International Airport. Dew point at 77. Dew point may be getting a little bit lower for us by the end of next week, but I think Monday and Tuesday, with it being drier, it's going to be hot. Heat advisory likely in place for Monday and Tuesday. In the tropics, things are quiet. Nothing that the Hurricane Center is concerned about, even though you see this big area of cloudiness. Next 7 days, no development expected. I'll show you why this area of cloudiness is not a concern for us in 30 seconds. In the short term, yes, we're gradually transitioning into a drier weather pattern. I think we'll have a few of those passing showers this morning. In the afternoon, our chance for rain now officially at about 30%. But here's the drier air trying to work its way in. It's going to win out. Starting tomorrow, the atmosphere, I think, is going to be significantly drier at the upper levels. And here's the water vapor imagery showing us what happens at the mid and upper levels. See the spin right here? That's an upper level low pressure system, a tut low as we call it sometimes. So this isn't anything tropical. That's why the Hurricane Center isn't concerned about it. We do have that very small, a marginal risk for the extreme North Shore to see a little bit of flooding today. You remember yesterday, many of us were in the slight risk category, so 2 out of 4. Now it's level 1 out of 4, and it's only the extreme North Shore. Here's the computer model that I've been searching for, and I think this one gets a good idea of what's happening now and the way it should play out this afternoon. You see a little bit of the rain right here, a few of those passing showers between now and, say, 11 o'clock. By the noon hour, picking up on a few showers, isolated thunderstorms, yes, pockets of some heavy rain possible for us today. Chance for rain officially at 30%, although closer to the coast, I think that chance for rain may be more like 10 to 20%. And there is that small possibility, that slight risk, that maybe from Bogalusa, areas northward, maybe Hammond could see a tiny bit of flooding today, but nothing like yesterday. As I said, we're gradually transitioning into a drier pattern, and that rain that does develop should be wrapping up by about 7:30, 8 o'clock tonight. Forecast for today. Showed you those isolated showers on the radar, 30% chance for scattered thunderstorms as we get to the afternoon, high temperature in the low 90s. Tonight, it's going to be muggy. We'll start in the upper 70s, even close to 80 degrees if you're close to the water. Tomorrow, heat advisory is likely. Very isolated afternoon thunderstorms. I think we're going to be in the mid-90s. Monday, Tuesday. I have 95 on the graphic there for Tuesday. Heat advisory likely Monday and Tuesday. Should be getting a little less humid. Thursday, Friday. WDSU first warning weather.
Yeah.